Sysracks 18U Server Rack. The ultimate lockable IT fortress. Secure, stylish, and built like a tank. Your network deserves a home as powerful as the tech inside it, and the Sysracks 18U Server Rack delivers exactly that. With a solid welded frame, alloy steel construction, and lockable front and side panels, this IT fortress keeps your precious equipment safe, organized, and looking professional. Unlike flimsy, low-quality racks, this bad boy stands tall and proud, ensuring your AV, IT, and networking gear runs at peak efficiency while staying dust-free, well-ventilated, and protected from tampering. Whether you're an IT pro, home lab enthusiast, or a data center manager, this rack is your ride-or-die storage solution. No need to hunt for accessories, this rack comes fully loaded with must-have extras. You get an 8-outlet rack-mount power distribution unit with surge protection, cooling fan, dust-tight cable entries, 2 fixed shelves, and heavy-duty casters with a brake option. Translation? More security, more cooling, more convenience, all in one sleek black powerhouse. And unlike cheap racks that wobble under pressure, this one boasts a static weight capacity of 180 pounds, ensuring rock-solid stability for your expensive gear. Set up as a breeze with its pre-welded frame, so you'll be up and running in no time, no engineering degree required. Why settle for a rack that barely holds itself together when you can have one that's built to last a lifetime? Made from high-quality, anti-corrosive alloy steel, this powder-coated beast resists rust, scratches, and the wear and tear of daily use. Ventilation? Covered. With a powerful cooling fan plus passive airflow circulation, your servers, AV equipment, and network hardware stay cool and efficient. The locking glass front door adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind that your gear is safe from prying hands. If durability, security, and sleek design had a baby, it would be this rack. Say goodbye to messy cables, overheating hardware, and overcrowded setups. This space-saving enclosure brings order to the chaos. Its compact yet spacious design, 24 inches width by 24 inches depth by 35 inches height, ensures maximum storage without hogging your entire workspace. Compared to overpriced, complicated racks, this one delivers the best bang for your buck, offering top-tier quality at an unbeatable price. Plus, its pre-installed accessories save you hundreds on extra components, making it one of the most cost-effective IT investments you'll ever make. This isn't just a server rack, it's a game-changer. Whether you're building a home lab, upgrading your IT setup, or managing a business network, the Sysracks 18U Server Rack gives you pro-level organization, unmatched security, and effortless setup, all without breaking the bank. With a 3-year warranty, industrial-grade quality, and a sleek professional look, this rack is the upgrade your IT setup deserves. Why risk your valuable equipment on anything less? Lock in your network's future today. Click Add to Cart and level up your IT game.